Namaste, madam.
Ask one quotation, sir.
Yes.
Do you want eternal happiness? Then learn to be happy for no reason.
Yes. Why do you need a reason to be happy? Unconsciously or consciously, we have programmed ourselves in a wrong way. We want a reason to be happy. We want good shirt to be happy. We want good body to be happy. We are conditional, unknowingly or unknowingly.
Yes.
We have kept condition to ourselves. Why should we be happy conditionally? Happiness is a state of mind. It is not a state of life. It is a state of mind. Where do you get happiness? Where do you feel happy? Inside. Happiness is here, not there. If you search happiness outside, you'll never be happy. There is no chance. So, if you wanted to eternally be happy, you wanted to be happy eternally all the time, there should not be any conditions to be happy. Unconditional love. If you have unconditional love, you will be very happy. In the same way, unconditional happiness. You should learn to be happy unconditionally for no reason. You should remove all the reasons you might have kept. If I get good marks, I will be happy. One condition. If I get good husband, I will be happy. If I get good dress, I will be happy. If I get good mobile, I will be happy. Conditions. Why should I have all the conditions? If I earn 1 CR, I will be happy. If I get good job, I will be happy. If I have good body, I will be happy. If I become slim, I will be happy. Thousands of conditions. How can you satisfy yourself? Or how can you satisfy others? Why not you be happy as you are? Why not you be happy right now? Who obstructed you to not to be happy? Or who obstructed you to be happy? Yourself, your own thoughts, your own wrong way of thinking, your own wrong conditions. Conditional mind is the root cause for unhappiness. Conditional mind, conditional love. If you do this, I will love you. If you don't do this, I don't love you. Conditional love. In the same way, conditional happiness. We are habituated to be happy or unhappy for a condition. Unconsciously, we have programmed ourselves since our childhood. Now, we have to reprogram. We have to remove the program. Not even reprogram. We have to remove all the programs in our mind and be happy as we are, wherever we are, right now, not tomorrow. Smile today. Keep on smiling entire day. Who will question you if you keep us with good smiling face? Nobody will question you, right? Nobody will ask you if you are with smiling face. Everybody will be happy. Everybody will be happy if you are with smiling face. Why do we need to have condition to have smiling face? Why do we need a good flower to maintain a smile on your face? Why do we need this and that to maintain smile? No. We can decide and smile.
Yes, sir.
Wholeheartedly, not plastic smile, I am telling. Wholeheartedly can smile. Wholeheartedly can laugh. It is all about decision. So my dear friends, just like we practice meditation, just like we practice driving, just like we practice mathematics, physics, just like that, let us practice happiness. Practice to be happy right now. Practice to smile right now. For that, we have to be unconditional with ourselves, with our life. Okay, you can try to achieve many things. We are not asking you not to achieve anything. You can achieve any number of things in your life. But you can be happy now itself. You can become Alexander. You can become Einstein. Nobody asking you not to do all those things. Now, be happy now. Here and now, you can be happy. Your decision is important for that. It is all about your decision to be happy. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Excellent. Thank you so much, sir. Told everything is 100% correct, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mata. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your explanation. Sir, one more question.
You want to ask one more question?
Freedom is
Yes.
happiness. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Freedom is happiness. More you let go all things from inside, the more free you will become. More and more happy you will be.
Yes.
Can you please explain?
When you will be free or when you will be happy? If you have too many things in mind, you will not be happy. If you are not free from inside, you will not be happy. If you have too many things in your mind, you will not be happy. Or if you are controlling others and they don't listen to you, and you will not be happy. If somebody is controlling you and you are not listening to them and you are not happy. Why we had a big fight, longest fight possible with Britishers, just for the sake of freedom. Every human being, not only human being, every animal want to be free. Without freedom, there is no question of happiness. If you have too many conditions in your life, that means there is no freedom. You can have certain agreements, certain understandings, not conditions. You should let go all the things. Don't keep anything inside. Be free from inside. Don't put too many conditions to others, and don't put too many conditions to yourself also. If you keep conditions to yourself, if you keep conditions to others, that conditions can never be satisfied. You'll never be satisfied, and you will be always unhappy because conditions apply. Whenever the condition is applied, you cannot get a gift. All the time you cannot withstand or live with conditions. Sometimes we may not be able to live according to that condition. So having too many conditions is losing freedom. When you lose freedom, you will become dull. You will become like a parrot in a golden cage. Parrot will never be happy even if you keep in a golden cage. Once you open, it will fly. It will not be there with you. So if you truly want to be happy with yourself or with others, learn to be free from inside. Learn to release all unnecessary conditions. Certain understandings, certain agreements are enough. Basic understandings, basic rules, not too many rules. Too many rules will not make you happy. Certain understanding. Out of love, you can be with anybody. Out of condition, if you are with somebody, that will become plastic relationship. So out of love, if you are with yourself, you will be happy. Out of condition, if you are with yourself, then you cannot be happy with yourself. So make yourself free and give others freedom. Let them live their life. You live your own life based on your way of thinking, based on your own choices, based on your own understanding. Without that, one cannot be happy. Freedom is a basic need of life, just like food is the basic need of life. Freedom is basic need of every being, animal being or human being. Everybody wants freedom. Everybody wants to live their life. Unless otherwise you are going in a violent way, that is wrong. If you are in non-violence, if you are in ahimsa, then you are always correct. You can have your own opinions. You can have your own way. And you can always be happy with your own freedom. That's why I thought of telling through that quote.
Thank you, sir. With the minimal conditions only, within relationship we can be achieve anything. That is what I
Yes.
understood, sir, from your
Yes.
explanation. Yeah, freedom is essential for everyone and everything.
Everybody,
Every
even
human being
animals
or
want
every
freedom,
living
right?
being in our.
Even parrot want freedom. If you keep in golden cage, it will not be happy. Everybody wants. We are here to live our life. We are here to live our own life. Everybody is here to live their own life. They are not here to live our life, and we are not here to live their life. We are here to live according to our intentions, our desires, our thoughts. If it is in violence, then no. We are not here. We are not violent people. We are common human beings. We are normal human beings. We are good human beings. We are all good human beings. So you can have your own opinion. You can have your own understanding and be free, be comfortable. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Please thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button if you not yet.